friends, thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we continue with our solutions to WAEC 2025. This is January-February for private candidate. This is core mathematics. With us here is question 5A and 5B respectively. In my previous videos, I have solved question 1 to 4. Let's look at these questions together. In the diagram, we have a diagram here. ABCD is a straight line. ABCD is a straight line. Angle ABE, meaning the reference angle is at B. Angle B is 5x plus 10, all in degree. The angle DCE, meaning the angle is at C, is 7x minus 14, all in degree. And angle BEC, meaning the angle is at E, is 2x minus 4, all in degree. We are asked to find the value of x. This is from plane geometry. There are many ways we can approach this question, but before we do that, let's analyze the drawing. It means let's find the angle at this point as well as the angle at this point. Sum of angle on a straight line, sum up to 180 degree. So it means to find this angle here is nothing but 180 degree minus this angle. 180 degree minus whatever the angle we have here. So it means we can easily say 180 degree minus, that will be 180 degree plus 14. 180 plus 14. The reason is here, the angle at this point will be 180 minus 7x minus 14 degrees. Minus times minus is positive, so it will be 180 degree plus 14, which is 194. Here will be 194 degree minus 7x. Let me write it well. 194 degree minus 7x degree. So let's find the other angle here. Now it's the same thing. It will be 180. Here now, it will be 180 degree minus 5x plus 10. Minus times positive is minus. It will now be 180 degree minus 10. That will be 170 degree minus 5x degree. So this will be the angle. Sum of angle on a straight line, sum up to 180 degree. So we can analyze this by using, since this is theory question, we have to show the workings. Very important. Since I'm through with the question, we are asked to find x. Let me remove this part so that I can have enough space. Very important, okay? Let's get the angle at C now mathematically. So it means angle ECB will be 180 degree minus 7x minus 14, all in degree. The reason is sum of angles on a straight line. So you have to state the reason, sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line. Very important. Okay? So, by the time we remove this bracket now, we'll get 194 degree minus 7 x degree. The same thing here. Sum of angle on a straight line. So we can as well say that angle EBC will be 180 degree minus 5x plus 10, all in degree. The reason is sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line, sum up to 180 degree. Okay, with this, we can easily find the value of x. Okay, by the time we simplify this, we'll have 170 degree minus 5x. We can either sum this angle plus this angle plus this angle equals to 180. It will still give us the same value of x. Then we solve for x. Or this exterior angle outside here is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angle, the opposite interior angles. So it means this angle here will be equals to this angle plus this angle. It means the angle at B will be equals to the sum of angle at E and C. That's another method. So whichever method, it will still give us the same answer. Or we can say the angle at C here, that's this exterior angle at C, will be equals to the opposite interior angle at E and B respectively. It will still give us the same answer. So let's sum what we have inside the bracket. Whichever way, it will still give us the same answer. So it means we are summing this. That will be 2x minus 4 degree plus 170 degree minus 5x degree plus 194 degree minus 7x degree will be equals to 180 degree. Reason is sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. This is the sign for triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle sum up to 180 degree. Let's move here to solve for x now. We are trying to find the value of x. Okay. Let's work on the left. 2x minus 5x, that will be minus 3x. Minus 3x minus 7x, that will be minus 10x degree. Will now be equals to, let's sum. We have minus 4 plus 170 plus 194. What do we have? That will be 360 degree. Let me add plus 360 degree will be equals to 180 degrees. So let's collect like times. There are many ways. Let me bring this negative 10x degree here. That will be 360 degree minus, this is plus 180. When you cross this equal sign, it will be minus 180 degree will be minus 10x degree. Crossing the equal sign will be 10x degree. Okay. 360 minus 180, that will be 180 degree will be equals to 10x degree. We divide both sides by 10, so we can easily get x. X degree now will be equals to 18 degree. This degree will divide this. X now is nothing but 18. So the value of x that we're looking for is nothing but 18, is 18. Why? Because the angle that are given here in degree, we're looking for the value of x. So it's 18, not 18 degree, it's 18. Very important. So this is the solution to 5a. Let's move to 5b. Let's remove this so that we can analyze that 5b. Okay? Question 5b reads, M is the midpoint of the line joining P and Q. The coordinate of P and M are 4, 1 and 3, minus 2 respectively. We are asked to find the coordinate of Q. This is from coordinate geometry. Let's draw a straight line. Suppose we have a straight line like this. We are told that M is the midpoint of the line P and Q. So we have P and Q. Then the midpoint here is M. Very important. Okay, the coordinate of P and M. The coordinate of P is given, which is, let me write it up, 4, 1, and that of M, which is at the center now, is 3, minus 2. Then we are asked to find the coordinate of Q. We don't know. And this coordinate is X and Y value we are looking for. Very important. So this is midpoint between 2 points. So we have to recall the midpoint formula. Very important. Midpoint between 2 points is given as mx, y will be equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the formula that we use here to solve this. The midpoint in the middle is given, which means the x value and y value is given. So it means we have 3, minus 2 now will be equals to, this is our x1, y1, and this is our x2, then y2. 2. Let's substitute and see. X1 is 4. That will be 4 plus x2. X2 is nothing but x. That will be x divided by 2, comma y1. Y1 is 1 plus y2 is y divided by 2. The next thing for us to do is to compare. It means 4 plus x divided by 2 is equals to 3. Very important. Okay, 4 plus x divided by 2 will be equals to 3. We can cross multiply at this point. Let's move here so that we can achieve that. Very important. Okay. To find x now, we cross multiply. 1 times 4 plus x, that will be 4 plus x will be equals to 3 times 2, of course, is 6. We can collect like times. X now will be equals to 6 minus 4. X now will be equals to 2. We are asked to find the coordinate of Q. So we know X value now. Let's go for the Y value. It means 1 plus Y now will be equals to 2. That's 1 plus Y divided by 2 will be equals to minus 2, because this is X and this is Y. So we equate this to minus 2 divided by 1. We cross multiply. 1 plus y will be equals to 2 times minus 2. That will be minus 4. I hope we are together. To find y now, let's collect like times. Y now will be equals to minus 4. This is plus 1. Crossing the equal sign will be minus 1. Very important. Okay. Y now will be equals to minus 4 minus 1, of course, will be minus 5. Very important. We can conclude that the coordinate of Q now that we are looking for is nothing but 2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5. Coordinate of Q means we're looking for the x and y value. Very important. So this is the solution to this question. We can write it here. Let me clean here since we are through. We can write this by saying the coordinate of P, or Q rather, the coordinates of Q is giving us 2 comma minus 5. This will be the coordinate of Q. So this is the solution to this number 5 question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting video. In my next video, we'll look at question 6, the optional parts now, question 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 13 in that order. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video.